Hello guys, welcome back to your English class. My name is Teacher Henry and I'm so glad to be here teaching you this class, okay? So we are going to learn about sport. But remember guys that you can wear your t-shirt or your hat, but sport day, okay? Put on your cap, put on your t-shirt, all right? Good job. Well guys, as I told you, the topic for this class is sport, okay? Sport. So I'm gonna give you some objective for this class. It's important. Today we are going to use a possessive adjective for personal objects, and also we are going to use the present tense. And we are going to have a dialogue, interview a person about their favorite sport, okay? So let's begin. Let's start. We have our first early bird. Tell me 3 things about you. This is a sports edition, okay? You can tell me 3 things about you. All right, let's see the first one. The first one is favorite sport team. What's your favorite sport team? Favorite, remember the pronunciation, guys. Favorite sport team. Maybe Barcelona or Real Madrid. This is soccer team, or maybe baseball team. It could be New York or Boston, Los Angeles, or maybe it could be the soccer teams for countries like Panama soccer team. That could be your favorite soccer team or your favorite team. All right. So this is number 1. I have the comments available for you to type your favorite sport team, all right? Number 2, favorite player. What's your favorite player? My favorite player is what's my favorite player? Well, I can say my favorite player is Roman Torres. This is my favorite player. What's your favorite player? Maybe Messi, maybe Cristiano Ronaldo, or maybe it's athletics, you know? It could be Alonso Edwards. All right, number 3, I am good at. So tell me, what sport are you good at? I am good at in Spanish is soy bueno en. So what sport are you good at? I am good at volleyball. I am good at ping pong. Yes. All right, guys. You can chat. You can type your comments in this channel. All right. So let's prepare this simple present: subject, verb, and object. Okay. We are going to work on the simple present. Remember the subject and the verb and the object. Let's see. We have in this simple present, this is for a sentence, okay? So in this sentence, we are going to use the subject, the verb, and the object. Let's try to use these pictures. Picture number 1. This is to write a sentence, okay? To write a sentence. So we first write the subject. Because subject could be the name of the person or a personal pronoun. All right? Example, she. The verb, plays. And the object, basketball. Okay? This is she is the subject, plays is the verb, and basketball is the object. So this is the way, this is the patterns that we use to do or to make sentences in simple present tense. Okay, guys? So for you, it's important to learn. Remember, subject number 1, verb number 2, and object number 3. This is the pattern. Follow the pattern, okay? You got it? Yes? Okay. Now, the number 2. Let's try the number 2. They. Yes. Let's see. what verb can you use? They swim. Yes. They swim. And the object? This is a different verb because, you know, depending on the verb, we can write a direct object. But in this case, we can say another, like a place. Where do they swim? In what place do they swim? Do they swim in the river, in the ocean, in the pool, in the street? I don't think they swim in the street or in the park. No. Maybe in the pool. Yes, they swim in the pool. Okay. So guys, you can write this simple present tense using these patterns. Remember, subject, verb, and object. For the number 3, type your comments here, okay? In the channel.
Alright guys, now this is a possessive adjective, okay? A possessive adjective is when something belongs to someone, okay? We use the possessive adjective with some objects. En Spanish es cuando algo pertenece a alguien, okay? Usamos el adjetivo posesivo. For example, my, your, his, her, our, or their. Okay? In Spanish, we use the possessive adjective as well. Mi, suyo. Okay? So, we are going to use this. We have this, practice here. Let's try to do this. I have here the subject, as you see. This is the personal pronoun. And I have here the possessive adjective, okay? So, in the practice, we have this. The number 1, the number 2, number 3, all we have the personal pronoun. So you can use the possessive adjective according to the personal pronoun. Let's try to use the number 1. We have she. She, the possessive adjective is hair. So we say hair racket. Su raqueta. Hair racket. Okay? That is in Spanish as well. Okay. Number 2. Ball. He will be his ball. That's right. Sorry. Yes. His ball. We have something else? Yes. In the number 3, their. Good job. Their meat. You can type your comments if you want. For number, just for number 5. Or let's try to do number 4. I, my, yes, my shoes. Number 5. Your turn. Good job. Try to repeat the pronunciation, alright? Try to pronounce the words. Number 6. Hour. That's right. Hour. Alright. Now we complete this practice. I have another practices for you. Okay. You can do number 1 or number 2. You type your comments in the channel, alright? Remember, here you have to write the possessive adjective. And here you have to type the possessive adjective. Remember, this is the name or the personal pronoun, is she, and here is he. Okay, so type your answer in the comments. Now we have the dialogue, guys. We use this, this is 3 questions for the dialogue. And the question number 1 is, what's your favorite sport? You can say, my favorite sport is basketball. Right. Number 2, where do you play it? This is a question for the place. Where do you play it? I played it in the court, or I played it in the park. Can I say that? Yes. Number 3, who do you play it with? Who do you play it with? When you play something in sport, you play it with other people, okay? Number 3 in Spanish is ¿con quién lo juegas? So, who do you play it with? I can say, I played it with my friends. Yes. So, you can answer, you can type your answers in the comments, guys. And I will also put a link for an EducaPlay game. You can click on the link and you will find an awesome game for you to practice this topic, okay? So guys, remember this is subscribe to my channel, My English Hero by Teacher Henry, and you can enjoy many awesome videos here for English classes. Thank you so much and see you then.